Hi, this is Rick, and in this Chroma Genie tutorial, we're going to deal with having borders around the picture and background that we're going to select up here. So first of all, let's go ahead and select a photo, green screen. It brings it in, takes the green screen out very quickly. Again, you'll note that it took and placed the first image in here. We could place any image that we wanted to in here. And now let's look at the border. And if we click on this border, this is the generic border that you probably will see from Chroma Genie, and you can see that it places the border around the photo and the background that you've chosen. And one of the things that you might want to do is be able to move this over to the center or to some other location. You do that by clicking once, which takes the border away, drag the picture to approximately where you think it should be, and click on the border again. Excuse me. You don't have to. The border comes back up. Let's try that again and move this over this way a little bit. Okay, and let's let go, and there we go. And now we see that that has changed. Same thing applies if you select a portrait image. I double clicked on that one, didn't do anything. Let's try it again. There we go. And now we'll have our portrait image in place. And again, if we click over here in this generic background, we see that we're going to get, let's do it this way. There we go. Okay, I double clicked it. A single click should work, but we double clicked it, and there we have our background on our border and our image. Again, if you click once in here and you move the image down and let go, it places it in another area. Okay, let's determine how we can change these. A couple of quick ways that you can do that is, first, if you have borders on the desktop, you can click and drag over, and you'll see that now we have a new border. Okay, so that's one way. The same thing applies here. Another method is like changing backgrounds. We can go to our tools, backgrounds and borders, and over here is the border. We click once, and this in fact is taking us to the generic borders from Chroma Genie. And here's a portrait border. Let's go ahead and open this one. These are PNG files, by the way. And now we have this as the border. Close this out. And though it hasn't immediately changed it, if you click over here and then click again, you'll see that it has changed this. Now these things happening here are items that Chroma Genie is going to be improving in the future. Again, if you want to change where the positioning is, I want it down and a little to the right, about right there. You let go, and that's how you can change where the image is in the border area. So that's basically it on borders. It works pretty simple, pretty slick. And again, you can put them on desktop here, click them over fairly quickly, or you can go ahead and you can do these in a different fashion as I have just done them. Okay, that's it for borders. Next tutorial will be on what happens with actual green screen images when the subject themselves have green clothing on. Okay, thank you very much.